Hi guys, it's Evie from So Squishy. Today we got this big box from Ibloom and they are the new squishies and some of them we restocked and let's open it up now. So these are all the squishies in the box. So this is the Nyan roll cake that we restocked. This is the mint one and it smells really nice. The other restock is a sweet candy lollipop girl. This is the purple one. The pink one that smells like strawberry. Oh my god guys, these are the new Takoyaki and they come in two. Oh my god guys, this is so soft and cute. This is the pink one. It is very soft and cute. This is the bread color one and the topping is different to this one. And they both smell like bread. We also stocked more of these breads. This is the green one. This is the rainbow one. Oh my god guys, this is my favorite one. It is the flavor tube that I've been waiting for. They are mini. Oh my god guys, there's these little packages. This is what the package looks like. So I'm gonna open one so you can see what they look like. So we get this note to show us what one it is. And I got my favorite one. It is the lollipop girl. It's rainbow. Her name is Lola, because it says on the list, the sweetie honey. They are so soft, cute and slow rising. You need to get them. So that is all from this package today. And I'll be opening the full box of this in my next video. So keep an eye out. Bye.